Hello student, starting with the practicals of Java programming, unit 1. So, to perform the Java program, we will require Notepad and Java. So, we will download the Java from the Chrome and we have to set the path like this. See, I have JDK 21.0.12 and also JDK 26.0.2. You have to download the latest JDK and set the path in the environment variable. Okay, now let's start with the practical. That is practical number 1. What is the aim? Write a Java program to print hello world. We have to print the hello world simply in the Java program. So we will write class hello world. We have to make the class name hello world. We can name the class any name. Okay, now as you know, Java is the language of class, right? So after writing the class name, we will start with public static void main. This is our main function. So the main function exists in the main class. This is our main class and this is our main function. And we name the main class as hello world. So what is our class doing? Class is printing hello world. To print any statement in Java, we write system.out.println. Okay, now we will write this program in Notepad. So here in the Notepad, we will write this program. Correct? Look, class hello world, public static void main string arguments. Okay, so system.out.println. Println is a function to print anything in the Java. Now how we will save the Java file? So we will click here on the file. Now we will click on save as. Okay, we clicked on the save as. We will be making the new folder in the desktop. See, I am making the new folder in the desktop, which name Java programs, programs. Okay, so in this folder I will save all my Java programs, right? Acha, now how we will save the Java program? See, what is the name of the class? Name of the class is hello world. So we will give same name to the program. We will give same name to the file name, like HELLO hello H capital and WORLD world W capital. At the end, we will add .java. .java is the extension for Java file and select all files. Then we hit the button save. Okay, our Java program is saved. Now how to run Java program? We will go into the Java folder. Here Java program folder. We click on the Java program folder. It opened like this. Now we will click here on the path. We will click here on the path. We will write CMD. This means command prompt. Then we hit enter. Okay, our command prompt is open, right? So our path is Java program. We will write any command that is related to Java. It will get executed in the Java program folder. Okay, now to compile the Java program or to run the Java programs or to run any Java file, we first have to compile the Java file. Here our file name is hello world. So we will write java c HELLO hello WORLD world dot java. To compile the Java file, we will write the following command. Then we hit enter. Right? Look, our Java file is hello world file is compiled. See, we have hello world file here, that is Java file. After compiling, we will get the class file. Okay, now we will run the Java file. How to run the Java file? Java hello world dot java. This is the command to run the Java file. Then we hit enter. Look, here hello world is printed. So our first practical is completed. Then we will escape this. Okay. Now coming on to the practical number 2. What is the practical number 2 saying? Our aim is to display personal information. So first we will make the class name personal info. Then we will write multiple print statement, that is system.out.println, which will print our personal information, right? So we will write this Java program into the notepad. Okay, new file, we will write Java program here. So how to save this program? We will go to the file, save as, and to save this program, we save this program in the Java programs folder, right? How we will name the file? We will name the file same as the name of class, that is personal info, Personal, personal info. Okay. At last we will add dot java, because we have to specify this file belongs to the Java program. Okay. Now we will save this. Save. Now we will again go to the Java program to run this file or to compile this file. Okay, to compile this file, we will click here and open CMD. CMD means command prompt. Okay. Now how to compile the file? We will write Java C and file name personal info dot Java. This command will compile the personal info file. Okay, here our personal info file is compiled. See, we already had Java file. After compiling, we got the personal info.class file. Now we will run this. To run the personal info, we will write Java C pe personal info dot Java. Then we hit the enter. So see here, this is our output. This is our personal info. Correct? Practical 2 is done. Now moving next to the practical number 3. What is the practical number 3? Here practical number 3 saying addition of the two number. So to add two number, first we have to declare the variable and give them the value, right? Okay, so how we will do this? Now let's start with the writing part. Okay, first we will write class. Which class we have to add na addition. We will make first class, that is addition. This is our main class. Okay, now we will write public static void main, public static void main. Okay, now in the bracket we will write string and args, then square bracket. Now we will open curly bracket after it, right? So whatever we have to write, we will write it in this bracket. Okay, between this bracket. Okay, so first how to define the variable. So if we want the variable in the integer format, we will write int a equals to 10. So 10 has the value 10. A has the value 10. Sorry. Now b equals to 20. So b has the value 20. Now we will define another variable, that is int sum. So the sum of a and b will stored in the variable sum, a plus b. Okay. Now how we will print this? So to print any statement in the Java, we write system dot out dot print ln, right? And in the bracket we will write the sum of A plus B is sum, because the sum of A and B is stored in the variable sum. So we are printing here the sum here. For printing, for getting the value of the sum, we will add here plus. So it will get the value of sum. So what is the value of sum? Can you tell me? Yes, right. Value of the sum is 30. Right? Now we will add semicolon here. Now how to save the Java file? So I am telling you the shortcut. Control Shift S. Right, Control Shift S. Then we will click on the folder, that is Java program. Then what is the name of our main class? The name of our main class is addition. So we will give the same file name, that is the main class name, addition addition, and at the end we will add dot java to specify this is the Java file. Now we will run this. We will save the first. Okay, we saved it. Now, when we click on the Java program folder, we will see there is a addition file which say the type is Java. It is a Java file. Okay. How we will run this file? First, we have to compile this file. Click, write cmd, enter. We will open with this interface. We will write javac addition addition dot java. To compile any file in Java, we write this command. Okay, then we will hit enter. Look, okay, it is giving me the error. No problem, we will solve it. Okay, system dot out dot println. So why it is giving the error, we will see. uh, okay, system dot out dot println. Right. Okay, okay, let's see the program. Okay,